Hey everyone, this year I had a scary experience, a head-on crash. This really opened my eyes to how unpredictable riding off-road can be. We all love the thrill, the speed and riding tough trails, but sometimes we forget that public trails aren't just for us. There are other riders out there, hikers, cyclists, families, people who, like us, just want to enjoy the outdoors. This video isn't about blaming anyone, it's about making us all more aware. While going fast and pushing limits is fun, safety has to come first. It's about looking out for the trails, the environment and each other. So, before you hit the throttle, remember that being a good rider is cool, but staying aware can save lives, yours and others. Let's ride smart, ride safe and make sure everyone gets home in one piece. We can keep the trails safe for everyone. Ride safe out there, guys.